First, create a project. So let's call it this way. So inside now can start create files. So let's create first files and then go straight to coding. These are main files. And also for boilerplate improvement, we can use plugin, so which allows for options when creating HTML initial parts. So let's do HTML5 for example and see. So this is generated code, but let's see what else available. Can do last, so it's have most detailed. We can remove parts which not needed in our case. It's good point on this one because it's have already set up a connection point for stylus and JavaScript. So let's create HTML, H2 and below. So should appears, and let's see plugins. So this HTML boilerplate which was used to generate the boilerplate of HTML. And next plugin going to use Go Live. So it's this one. So it's pretty simple. Once it's installed, when you have skeleton ready, so as we did, we can click Go Live and it appears here. So it's running. For example, let's add one word and it's automatically putting. So next point is to have CSS. So let's style it. Actually, it's a good idea to first connect so that file. So let's write location of that file. It's automatically appears. It's connected in this file. So now we can change it color, for example, to blue. Color is changed. So next part we can do JavaScript. So let's make connection with file. And then we can do alert. Let's do, we have a plugin. So some details inside, because I have Java's code snippets, it can help to generate. But actually this is from Visual Studio, what I explained. So, but still it's useful to know about that. So alert, then we can say anything below again. Then basically when page loads, it prints. So this is how to connect points and use help of other tools such as plugins and VS Code.